how to read a letter E in words.
End.
But event with I, not eh? Jeans, not gens? Person, not person? One letter makes so many different sounds. Let's learn how to read the letter E. So, the letter E can sound different. When it's alone, it's short sound, eh, like bed, sense, gen. But with magic E, it becomes long, E, like Pete, scene, Jean. Do not say the final E. It is a silent but magical letter. E plus A and double E also make the sound E. T, C, jeans, beep, C, Jeep. Now, repeat after me. Jen, Jean, jeans, Jeep. Let's practice. Read the words aloud. Which sound does the letter E make? Eh or E? You have 30 seconds to read the words. The answers are test, team, read, read, web, week, Jean, Jen, jeans, Jeep, tea, bee, bed, eat, end. Meet the magic E. See that final E at the end of the words? We don't read it. It's a silent E, but it's also a magical letter. It changes the vowel before it. Listen to the examples with and without the magic E. Plan, plane, pet, Pete. Click, like, not, note, cub, cube. Easy, right? When E starts a word, the sound depends on stress. With stress on the first part, E makes eh. End. Element. Expert. Echo. Without the stress on the first part, E makes I. Event. 11. Exam. Economy. So, stressed E, eh. Unstressed E, I. See the stress mark? When it lands on E, the sound is strong, eh or E. No stress? E relaxes. It turns into or I. Listen. Elegant, element, 11. So, stressed E makes eh or E. Unstressed E makes or I. It's time to practice stressed and unstressed E. You have 30 seconds and 12 words to read. Good luck! Listen to the answers. Center, pepper, respect, referee, electric, energy, excel, present, semester, serenade, 7, level. Now, Let's look at the bossy R. This letter changes the letter E. E, R before a vowel sounds like air, emperor, sheriff, general. But before a consonant, it's person, service, nerve. And at the end of a word, it's a very soft air, super, dresser, scanner. So, vowel, air, consonant, At the end, soft air. Please repeat after me these words. Emperor, person, super. One more time. Emperor, person, super. Good job. Let's move on. Now, look at EA plus R and double E plus R. Most of the time, they make the sound ear. Listen to the examples. Beer, career, ear. But there are exceptions. If ear is before L, N, TH, or CH, the sound is early, learn, earth. And this word is special. Bear, with an air sound. Bear. So remember, ear, beer, career, ear. Early, learn, earth. Air, bear. Let's read words with ER. Practice for 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Start. Listen to and look at the answers. Manager, teacher, printer. Term, Germany. Hertz. Server, asteroid. Federal. Sheriff. Gallery. Spoiler. Person. Emperor. Super. Now, let's hear the difference between a and e. Close your eyes and listen carefully. Bad, 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 bad. Bed, 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 bed. Now mix them. Bad bed, bad bed, bad bed. Hear it? The first one is wide and open, ah. The second is short and closed, eh. Let's compare more words. Bad, bed, band, bend, and end. Jam, gem, man, men, sax, sex. Very small difference, but it changes the word completely. Do you remember how E makes the letters C and G say their names? When the letter E comes after C, we read it as C, scent, December, face. But when C is not followed by E, it's K, cat, academy, Africa. Now, for G. After E, G is soft too. Gene, algebra, college. Otherwise, G stays strong. G, gallery, vegan, yoga. Let's review all the ways we read the letter E. E makes eh sound. Test. End. E, R plus vowel makes air. Emperor. ER plus consonant is person. Double E, E plus A, or magic E at the end make the E sound. Gene, jeans, jeep. EA plus R or double E plus R make ear. For example, ear, engineer. Unstressed E sounds like or I. Event, 7. And when it ends with ER, say a soft air. Super. Now you can read the letter E in almost any word. And the final reading practice. Practice reading E, I, air, ear. You have 60 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's go. The final answers are cream, coffee, cheese, grease, server, teacher, pen, sperm, semester, 11, sex, effect, term, text, elegant, general, career, center, ceramic, sphere.